Gentlemen, if you could pretend to give us your attention for just a few moments, we'll let you go back to sleep. We'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-800 series. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn tight and low across your skinny little hips or anytime you are seated. If you don't like the service today, there are 8 emergency exits. 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to those exits. There it is, the safety information card found in your seat back pocket in front of you. Take it out, read it, look at the pictures, fan yourself. In the unlikely event this Boeing becomes a Boeing cruise liner, use this lovely designer vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if we tell you to do so. Pull the strap to open the container, remove the pouch, place the vest over your head. Don't mess your hair, there will be camera crews. Wrap the strap around your wings, buckle it in front, pull to tight. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down the red tab. You want to do it the hard way, blow into the tube at your shoulders. Kick paddle all the way to the shore. We will follow with the alcohol and peanuts. The flight attendants are coming through the cabin to make sure your seat belts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-ons are completely stowed all the way under the seat in front of you. Smoking is not allowed on board, believe it or not, including the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and our favorite, crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. Blah, 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 blah. The change in cabin pressure, however, if one should occur, 4 lovely Martha Stewart margarine cups will drop from the overhead compartment. Stop screaming, let go of your neighbor, pull down that mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place that mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the bag may not inflate. Continue wearing your mask until we tell you otherwise. If you are traveling with children, put on your mask first. That's all the do's and don'ts. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this 2-hour, 29-minute flight into St. Louis. Nice to have you on board.